Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert the SIM card at the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, so what we need is next to the phone the pin, also the SIM ejection tool, and that is part of the box here in the white box on the top of the white box. So just open it like this here, and then you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove the wings and you have it. Okay, otherwise you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice on that SIM tray is that you're able to enter 2 SIM cards if you want. And you can also optional add a microSD card. Okay, so let us start with the first SIM card. The first SIM card you will put here on that position in the middle. So missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, if you want, you can add a second SIM card here on that position. Also missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are also here below. Okay, and yeah, if you want to extend the internal storage, you can also use a microSD card here on that position. So it has to look like this then at the end. Of course, you can use also just one SIM card and a microSD card. And the contacts are below. Okay. And then you put your construction back in the phone, back into the phone like this. If it's a bit difficult, shake it a bit and everything will be okay. And be sure that it's completely closed. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or some messages are coming. Yeah, you can have a look on my other videos, or you just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.